Here is how you can easily create dashboards using your Supabase data. With ZapDigits, you can connect multiple data sources and have all your metrics in one place. So let's connect Supabase. First, you can click connect and go to data sources and search for Supabase, and click edit and connect Supabase. Once you click connect, it will redirect to your Supabase. Here you need to give authorization to your organization, and I click authorize ZapDigits, and once you get redirected from Supabase, you will have to select the project that you have, or if you have multiple projects, you can select the project you want to connect and click continue. And now you can see it is connected. If you go to the dashboard that you want now, you can click edit and add metrics and click Supabase, and you can get user data. The beauty of ZapDigits is you can have multiple data sources. Now I have 3 data sources connected, so I'm going to add another data from Search Console, for example traffic data. I'm going to save it, and I'm going to adjust a little bit the data here, the metrics. Gonna move things around. And I'm gonna exit the editor, and now you can see some data from Supabase and Search Console. For example, this one you can adjust a little bit more, and here now you can see it properly. And here you can see Supabase information from the user and some traffic information from Search Console. And just like that, you can connect 20 more data sources and have all the custom metrics in your dashboards. This is how you can connect Supabase to ZapDigits.